In this video, we're going to go ahead and take a look at a Chromebook. Now, some of you might not understand exactly what a Chromebook is, so this is just going to show you some of the basics that go along with it. Now, a Chromebook is basically the Chrome browser put inside of a laptop. And although it might not sound like it does a lot, Google and other companies created a lot of browser apps specifically for the Chromebooks to give you a very PC-like experience. Now, there is no right click on our trackpads, as some do, but if you've used a laptop before, you know that if you use two fingers, it'll be that same sort of right click experience on a mouse. Now, if we take a look at the desktop of a Chromebook, you're not going to see anything there. In fact, you can't put anything on your desktop. You're just given this wallpaper. Down in the bottom right, where the start button is on a Windows PC, you see that you have your app drawer. Now, in your app drawer, it's all the apps that you've downloaded with your login. Now, if you have your students log into a Chromebook and download the apps that you want them to use, whatever Chromebook they log into, even if it's on a PC, if they log into the Chrome browser, these apps will show up. And you could see that you could put them in folders, organize them wherever you want them to go. So that's very nice. So what we'll do now is we'll actually take a look at some apps that really help the teachers and the students in the classroom. So the first two we're going to look at are kind of similar. First one is Save as PDF, and this one will take any website you have, and if you click here, you can see the small icon up here in the top right corner. If you click on that icon, it's going to save that page as a PDF file directly to your Google Drive. The other one is saved to Google Drive. And like I said, it sounds like it's almost the exact same thing, except this one does have one extra piece that helps out. And that's if you do a Google search, and let's say we search and we want to know Walnut's API. If you scroll down in Google search, you'll see that if it's an actual document, it does tell you that. And with Save to Google Drive, if you right click on that link, you see that it creates this ability to save that link, save that PDF file, that document, that PowerPoint, anything directly to your Google Drive without you having to open the file and save it from within there. There's also the Desmos graphing calculator, which is very useful for Algebra 2. In Algebra, you could plot graphs very quickly and easily. This is something that we use in class quite often in Algebra 2. To go along with that, they also have Geogebra, which is also similar. The nice thing about Geogebra is there's just a ton of teacher-created files already out there for you that you could search for, find the one that you're going to use, and just share that link with your students. There's also Socrative Student, and this is another one that my students have installed on their logins. That way, when we go to take a quiz, all they have to do is go down to the app drawer and click it on. There's also one, as you can see here, for the teacher. That gets you to the teacher login, whereas the student one will take them to the student login. In terms of more PC-like abilities, there is Pixlr Editor, and what that does, it allows you to edit photos. Now, this isn't going to be a full-on Photoshop experience because it's built within the browser, but being that it's a browser experience, it does a good job of doing the basic editing and what you're going to need it to use for your lightweight photo editing. If you want to have the students create videos, there's WeVideo. It allows you to upload videos that they take, whether it's from their own cameras or with the Chromebooks, the cameras on here. They can go ahead and upload the videos from their Google Drive or from a flash drive, and they're able to do editing, stop the video, shorten the video, add subtitles. So that's a very good, once again, browser built-in editing software. Then there's what we've been using. This video is being recorded on a Chromebook with this app, Screencastify. Now, the difference between this and WeVideo is this is done one shot, one take. It's recording everything for you. Now, if I wanted to, I could take all these and upload them to WeVideo and splice them all together. And finally, there's the homepage that I have. And some of you might have noticed on the videos that it is different than most homepages. And I like this for the teacher's point of view. On here, you can see all my apps are loaded that I have. I've organized them where I want them. And like I said, you could drag and drop them wherever you want. Down here, it gives you the date and any calendar appointments that you have upcoming. Right now, I don't have any. But this is the part I really like, is this quick note sort of tasks. Is if you want to write in notes in here, let's say, okay, I have a parent conference tomorrow. Or tell students to study for test. Okay, these are quick notes. So all those little post-it notes that we all have around our computer screens or on our desks, you can now take those and put them right here. So anytime you open up your computer, anytime when you open up your Chrome browser, it's going to be sitting there and you'll be able to see, okay, this is what I need to do. So it's a very useful homepage and very easy to install. So that was a very quick look at a Chromebook and just how powerful this thing could be. I know that a lot of you might be hesitant to try something new, but these things are very powerful, and for what high school students need, for a majority of them, this is more than enough and could really help you out in the classroom.